Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right there, steaming hot, we're going to make a lamb curry, Indian style. Now we're calling this the easiest curry in the world. The method we're going to use today is so easy. Probably the only thing easier is to order a takeaway, which probably won't be as good. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients here. So there I've got 1 kg of lamb or mutton. There's some bone in there, a little bit of fat, but some lovely meat in there. 1 large onion sliced. Chopped tomatoes, I've got 3 or 4 medium-sized tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy one. Curry powder, that's a homemade curry powder. Absolutely delicious. I'll leave you the link at the end for that. There's 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. 1 cup of sunflower oil. Some chilies, fresh, up to you how many you put in. Salt. 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder. This is absolutely incredibly easy to make. Okay, so mixing bowl, I've got some gloves on because I'm going to get my hands in there. We're literally going to get everything in. So let's do those fresh chilies. Let's get some salt in there. That curry powder, that lovely homemade curry powder, which is fantastic, really is. The garam masala powder. The tomatoes, like I say, always try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato. The onion. And our garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. So, sexy gloves, give it a mix. Okay, so got a large pot here, we're going to need a lid. Let's get that oil and get it in. Simply, we're going to now drop our whole mixture in there. Now if you wanted, you could have put this in the fridge overnight. It will give it a lovely flavour, but no time here today, so I'm going straight in there. Amazing, super easy. It's going to taste great, this really will. Okay, so we're going to go medium heat. Lid on, 10 minutes, I'll be back, give it a stir every now and then. Okay, let's jump in here, lid off, steam out. This is raging away, fantastic. As you can see, the tomatoes are breaking down, creating us a nice sauce there. But what we're going to do now is we're going to get some water in here, quite a lot. We're going to get enough to cover the whole thing. Give that a mix. Now what I want you to do is get the heat down to just above a simmer, not a simmer, just above. Get the lid on and go do something useful. You've got about 30 minutes. Okay, off comes the lid, let some steam out of there. That's been going for like 30-35 minutes depending on the quality of your meat. As you can see, this is starting to fall off the bone nicely. Now it's a little bit wet for me, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this for a further 6 or 7 minutes with the lid off. It will reduce and steam out just a little bit. See you then. And off goes the heat. That's reduced down enough for me. That's a beautiful amount of masala, thickened up slightly. That meat really is super tender. We're going to finish this off now with some fresh coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. We're going to give that a mix, and that is, I think, the easiest method of making a wonderful lamb curry. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon below for notifications, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.